This video is part of 4 different videos providing a summary of my 4 chapters from a new book I worked on, Expert Swift. This video is about chapter 14, API Design Tips and Tricks. Knowing Swift and all of its great features is very fun and challenging, but there's another topic that's just as important that isn't frequently talked about: designing great APIs. Some would say these topics are learned together, but that is often not the case, as they're 2 entirely separate skills. That's why this last chapter of the book isn't really about writing code. It's about opening your mind to some ideas and thoughts on how to design great APIs, both to your fellow developers if talking about an app, and your external consumers if talking about some open source library. In this chapter, you'll explore what makes people perceive an API as one that feels good, how to properly encapsulate your different API layers, how to use various Swift language features to create highly modern APIs, including examples from Swift's own APIs. You'll also learn about the importance and techniques for properly documenting and versioning your code. If you want to learn more about this chapter and other interesting topics, check out the full book at expertswift.xyz.